guys, it's me Gus and welcome back to another video. Where in today's video I have this, well, I don't even know why I brought all these paper towels, but I've got this warm hot hands thing. It heats your hands during cold weather. And I want to know what's inside this, because it feels like sand, and it feels like sand, but I don't really know if it is sand. So I just wanted to know what's inside it. I feel like this is gonna be another what's inside video, but not by the what's inside. It's by me, and I actually really want to know. One of my friends told me that it was like a chemical reaction thing with some stuff. Do not do this because my mom said there was like chemicals and stuff. Probably is. I'm just gonna. Oh my god, it's gonna be so hard. I can't open this. Let me just try. Oh, you can see a little hole. Wait. You can barely see a little hole. Oh, I made a hole. Yeah, I made a hole. I don't know if you guys can see that. Right there. Oh my god, I made a hole. I'm trying to hold this up to the camera. What is this stuff? I don't know if you guys can see that. Can you guys see that? No. So that's what it is. That's what's inside of one of these like, hand warmer stuff. I'm probably just gonna wash my hands right now, because I feel like this is like I can get a chemical burn from this. I don't know how, but yeah, this is what's inside of a hand warmer. Some sort of like dirt thing. Looks it. Yeah, it's like that. Looks weird. Well, yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please smash the like button, subscribe to my channel if you are new, and I'll see you guys in the next video. See you later, guys. Bye.